Hey everybody, and welcome to Planet U. Today we are going to review the limited time only Krispy Kreme Valentine's Doughnuts. They're called Doughnuts, not donuts. I believe because it's supposed to be like a Valentine's note. Each one has a specific name, and Doughnuts, that's what they're called. So it's a Valentine's note catchphrase type thing that they're all named after. So we're gonna see out of the 4 Doughnuts, which one's the best and which one's not so good. For all you lovers and Valentines out there, we are here so you know which ones to buy. And we're just gonna find the way into the donuts, which is a little tricky. Okay, wow, all right. Okay, I am actually pretty impressed because we've had sort of incidents before where we've seen something online for Krispy Kreme donuts and you get to the shop and it doesn't look anything like it. So I think it really does depend on the location that you go to. But this one, it looks exactly like it does online, so I'm really happy about that. It really makes a difference when they add all the little extra touches, like the rose, like the little heart. So you don't want it missing any of those things, especially if you're buying it for someone special, then you want it to be special, right? Okay, so where do we start? I guess we'll just start right here. So this one looks like a berry colored one. This one is called You Color My World, and they're so adorable that they're all shaped in heart shapes. That's so cute. I don't know if they're filled with anything. I don't know how Krispy Kreme usually does their thing, but we'll check it out. Let's see right now. Just look further. Oh, it is filled with something. Okay, I gotta bite more into it. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. That's a lot better. You gotta get right in there. The top doesn't really taste like anything. It's colored, yes, but it doesn't really taste like, berry flavored or anything. It just tastes like regular icing to me, so I think it's just colored. The middle is actually like, as you can see, I got a bit on the plate there. The middle is actually like sort of a vanilla icing. It's not a custard, it's more like an icing. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to see compared to the others, but I would say this one, out of 10, it's not like blowing my mind, but it's good. I would give this one a 6 out of 10. Now I guess we will go ahead with a totally different one. I feel like this one's gonna be really good. So this one has the cookie crumble on top, and this is the one called Without You I'd Crumble. It's chocolatey cookie crumble, sort of whatever, vanilla or white drizzle on top. White flavor. Okay, give this one a bite. The thing I thought about the topping was that I figured because it's a cookie crumble, it would be like crunchy on the top. And it's more like soft cookies. It's not very crunchy, which is fine. Not a lot of chocolate icing on there underneath. It's mostly dominated by the cookie crumble. But it's nice to have like a different texture going on. And the icing inside, it still looks almost white. But just like a touch of chocolate. So not super chocolatey, not vanilla. It's like kind of this weird in-between thing. I would have to probably give this one maybe one more above the You Color My World. So we'll give this one a 7. It's good, but it's not crazy good. They are really cute though, so I mean, you're gonna get brownie points just for giving this kind of cute looking thing. So this one is called Your Berry Sweet. So I'm kind of half expecting it to have like a berry filling. I think that would be really nice. And once again, just the cute little touches here are really cool. So dive into this one. I would say the icing is a lot better on top. The icing on top is what tastes like berry. Now in the middle, you actually don't have a berry filling, but you have a white filling that seems different from the first two. The first two were kind of like icing filling, whereas this one, it looks almost like more of like a whipped cream. It's a lot more like light and fluffy. This one is my favorite so far, actually. Because you got the different flavor on top and you have a different filling in the middle. I would give this one a solid 8 out of 10. So far we got the 6, the 7, the 8. And then last but not least, we have this one. I love you a chocolate lot, and I'm a chocolate lover, so I'm loving this one. Hopefully I love it. And it looks like they put a generous amount of the chocolate icing on top, whereas opposed to the cookie one, it's, like I said, it's a little more cookie, a little less chocolate icing. So we'll see what's in the middle of this one. It'd be nice if it was chocolate, but we'll check it out. Bite right into the rose. The rose is actually like when you get like decorations on a birthday cake, how it's like that soft icing. When you bite into it, it's so nice and soft. It's not like one of those hard sort of, you know, icing like cutouts where it's like this type of thing. It's like an actual nice soft. Oh yeah, that's your chocolate filling in there. And that's what I was hoping for. That one's probably the best one. But it's a really close tie with this berry one. This berry one is really nice too. But I'm going to say I will give this one, I'm a chocolate lover, so I might be biased, but I'm going to say I'll give this one the 9 out of 10. You know, it could be maybe on par with this one. Could be an 8 out of 10, but for me, I like the chocolate. So, and I like that it has a different filling in the middle as opposed to the others. The others were lighter filling. This one has chocolate in the middle, and I love that like soft icing on top where the rose is. That's a nice touch. So I would say if you're going to only get like 2 donuts for your sweetheart, I would definitely go with this one, your berry sweet, and the chocolate one, which is half eaten now. But they're also, in my opinion, they're the best looking donuts too. They're the best decorated, and you'll probably get brownie points for that, or donut points, however you want to put it. And value for money, I'll just say, like, their donuts usually are really reasonably priced, so you're not going to like break the bank on it. Here in Canada, a box of 6 costs $11, so I mean, I'd say that's pretty good value for money. Okay, well, thanks for checking us out today, and we always love to see new people subscribing. We're a new channel, so we appreciate every person we can get. So we hope to see you again soon.